Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the concept of function composition, which is a way of combining functions by evaluating one function inside of another. First, let's quickly review what a function is. A function is a mathematical rule that takes an input and produces exactly one output. For every starting value, there is a unique ending value. A helpful way to visualize a function is to think of it as a machine. You put an input, like the number x, into the machine. The machine follows a specific rule, f of x, and gives you a single, predictable output. Now, what happens if we connect two of these machines? The output from the first machine, g of x, becomes the input for the second machine, f of x. This entire process, from the very first input to the very final output, is called function composition. We write this as f of g of x. The key is to always work from the inside out. You first find the result of the inner function, g of x, and then you use that entire result as the input for the outer function, f. Let's look at a concrete example with numbers. Suppose we have two functions. The function g of x is equal to 2 times x, and the function f of x is equal to x plus 3. Our goal is to find the value of f of g of 4. Remember, we start from the inside. The inner function is g of 4. According to our rule for g, we multiply the input by 2. So g of 4 equals 2 times 4, which is 8. Now we take this output 8 and use it as the input for our outer function, f. The function f tells us to add 3 to our input. So f of 8 equals 8 plus 3, which gives us a final answer of 11. We can also find a new function that represents the entire composite process. Let's use different functions this time. Let g of x equal x plus 1, and let f of x equal x squared. What is the general rule for f of g of x? To find the composite function, we start with the outer function, f, which squares its input. Then we substitute the entire inner function, g of x, into it. So, where we see x in the f function, we replace it with the entire rule for g of x, which is x plus 1. This gives us f of g of x equals the quantity x plus 1 squared. If we expand this, we get x squared plus 2x plus 1. A very important rule in function composition is that the order matters. F of g of x is not the same as g of f of x using our previous functions. We already found that f of g of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1. But if we switch the order, we are putting f of x inside g. This means we take x squared and substitute it into the g function, which gives us x squared plus 1. As you can see, the two results are not the same. To summarize, function composition is the process of applying one function to the result of another. When you see the notation f of g of x, you always work from the inside out. And finally, always remember that the order in which you compose the functions can drastically change the final result.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.